Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press to power key button, we can just only lock the device, and if you wanna just use the double press on your power key button to quick access to any feature, option or application, you should first open the settings app and then scroll down to advanced section. Then click here to the smart key and just to turn on to activate a quick launch feature, we should click once on the switcher. And now, for example, let's use here the customization and select one from these options. For example, let's use the flashlight by double press to power key. And now let's press twice to the power key button. Okay, so now we just select the customization, and now by double press to power key we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.